The centre has withdrawn the Personal Data Protection Bill 2021. The bill was introduced in the Lok Sabha in 2019 and referred to the Joint Parliamentary Committee. 81 amendments were proposed by the Joint Committee of Parliament. Considering the report of the JPC, a comprehensive legal framework is being worked upon, and a new bill that fits into a comprehensive legal framework will then be presented. The government was criticised specifically as it was exempted from the ambit of the bill. The government had justified the exemption on national security grounds. Meanwhile, experts had criticised the bill for being pro-government. Let me go across to Sunil Prabhu for more details on this. Sunil, is there any time frame that's been suggested by the government over bringing a new bill, and also about contentious issues like government not being in its ambit?
Well, I think there are far more important reasons for why this bill has been withdrawn. There is no time limit. Government can take its time whenever it wants to bring a bill. But as I spoke to the Information and Technology Minister a few days ago, and even today, his junior minister has just tweeted where he has said that the reason for withdrawing this bill is to have a comprehensive framework of global standards, so that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is keen that the entire world looks at India and its new IT laws. The present Personal Data Protection Bill does not meet those standards, and this is after 90 sittings. The present Minister of State, Meenakshi Lekhi, was a chairman of the committee. Subsequently, another chairman, who's the present standing chairman of the External Affairs, sat through these committee meetings, Mr. Chaudhary, P.P. Chaudhary, and after 90 sittings in a joint select committee, they had presented the report. Today, the cabinet decided to withdraw it because it doesn't meet the future challenges and the vision of the Prime Minister, and they say that privacy is a fundamental issue for every Indian citizen, and $1 trillion digital economy requires global standards in terms of cyber law, and that's why that it has been decided that even as the JCP report had identified many issues, they were relevant but beyond the scope of a digital privacy law. So it's in that backdrop that the government has withdrawn this legislation. And as I explained to you, after 90 sittings, after being passed in the one house, this is why it's very, very important to have key legislations well thought of before it is brought. But nevertheless, they have decided to withdraw it now. And finally, we'll have to wait and see what this new Digital India Act is all about when it comes back to Cabinet, hopefully in the next session, or if not, in the next few sessions. But definitely the present bill not meeting the global standards and the privacy law which is required for every individual.